Welcome learners to the new video tutorial of Java Language Fundamental Part 5. Here we will understand the main method. The basic format of the main method, we will understand it deeply. Understand the main method and its format and what is the terms are used in the main method will we understand clearly. So the first we will create a program called as main program dot Java. So here class is automatically created. You know that we cannot run this program without the main method. So just check for the clarification. Just debug it. Let's see if debug it programming or not. So here you can see the main method not found in the file. Please define the main method. Error called main method not found. Please define a main method and giving the format of this main method. But if we are running this program before 1.6 version of JVM, it will compile the program, but it won't run. So compilation of the program before version of 1.6, it finds compile the program without checking the main method is available or not. But after the version 1.7, first it check the main method is present or not. If the main method is not present, it won't compile the program. But in the previous version, it compiled the program and at the runtime, it will check the main method is present or not. So the format of the main method, you can see public static void main string array args. This is the standard format of the main method. You cannot change this format because JVM, if you want to change the main method format, you need to modify the JVM internally and you need to customize the JVM. Let's deeply understand the terms used in the main method. It is public because it can run by the JVM from anywhere. And static, why it is static? Without existing any object of main method, it can call the main method because we don't need to make any object of the main method. So it can call the main method directly. Void is used because the main method don't have any return value. So that is why we declare the main method as a void. Main is the signature and this signature is internally defined in the JVM. So this is the structure of the main method. And at the runtime, JVM search this format in the program. If the format is as same as it defined in the JVM, then it run the program, otherwise it gives the error. We can also declare as a final, static final, and also synchronized, and also strict FOP. These modifier also applied on the main method. You can, but it is not necessary. If you want to apply, you can apply. There is no error comes when you apply these modifiers. So if you run this program, it will run perfectly. So program is running, you can see. So this is the format of the main method and these modifier is not necessary. But if you are trying using this method, you can use. There is no need to use these modifiers. If you are writing public static void main int hogs, and here you can write a string main method, and this is the int main method. Int main method control S. If we are compiled the program and string main method is called. So if run this program, string main method is called. So the main format in the JVM is written it like this. So whenever we call this class, it will call the main method of string type. and the other overloaded method is called the explicitly. So we can call it here. So if you are run this program, the string main method is called. So when we run this program, JVM automatically call the string args method. It never call the int args method. But when we explicitly called it, so how can we call it? Main new int array. If we pass two elements 10 comma 20, so it called explicitly. Whenever it run, so you can see JVM call the string args method and we explicitly called the int main method. So here you can see this is the main method and this is the overloaded main method. So in main method, overloading is also allowed. Overloading means two method with the same name but different signature. The signature means the variable we defined here. So here is the string args and there is the int. So overloading in the main method is applied. Here we class inner main program extends program. We have to remove the public. Class main program extends main program. That means if we run this program, debug, so starting the main method and this cmd. So deprogramming cd. So we will compile the program to see the how many dot class file is generated. Here you can run Java C main program dot Java. If you click, it will compiled and you can see here two dot class file are generated. Inner program dot class file and main program dot class. If we run Java inner main program run, string main method is called, and if we run Java main program then string main method. So if you means when we compile this program, it creates two dot class file. First is the inner main program dot class file and main program dot class file. If you run this main program file, Java main program file, it also called the string main method. And if you are running the child class, it also run the string main method. So in Java, it always call the parent string argument type main method, and hence we declare public static void main string array args method and just run. If we are running this command from here, Java C main program dot Java. So compile fine, and if we run Java main program, string main method is called, and if we run Java inner main program, here the minor change has to be done in the child class. So here SOP statement is added to get the output. Compile it first. Java C main program dot Java. Compiled it. If we Java inner main program, so child main. If we call the child class, it will call it its own main method. And if we run main, we run Java main program, it will call its own main method. So in the main method, overriding method is not applicable. Instead of overriding, method hiding is applicable. What is the method hiding? We can understand in deeply in the oops concept. So the conclusion we will understand here. So till the version 1.6, when we compile the program, these steps are occur during the execution of the program. Till 1.6 version, the first step of the execution is identification of the static block. and then it execute the static block and static variable assignment, and then it will check the main method is available or not. If the main method is available, then execute the main method, otherwise give the runtime error, no such method found, error, and colon main. Let's move to the other hand. From the version 1.7, the execution steps are as follows. During the compilation, first it will check the main method is available or not. If main method is not available, then it will give the compile time error called no, the main method is not found, please. And if the main method is found, then it will first identify the static blocks, then execution of the static block and static variable assignment, and then execute the main method. So this is all about the main method. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my video. If you are new, please subscribe my channel. Please comment and share.